Making a video can be a complex process that requires a few key steps. Here's a general overview of the process. Plan your video. Start by deciding what kind of video you want to create. Is it a promotional video, a tutorial, or something else? Determine the purpose and audience for your video. Write a script. Once you know the purpose of your video, write a script. This will serve as the blueprint for your video and will help ensure that you cover everything you need to. Gather equipment. You'll need a camera to record your video. If you're on a budget, you can use a smartphone camera. You'll also need a tripod to keep the camera steady, and you may need lighting and a microphone. Record your footage. Set up your camera, microphone, and lighting, and start recording. Make sure you follow your script, and record multiple takes so you have options to choose from later. Edit your video. Once you have all your footage, it's time to edit. Use video editing software to piece together your footage, add music and sound effects, and make any other adjustments. Add captions and/or subtitles. If your video has spoken dialogue, consider adding captions and/or subtitles for viewers who are deaf or hard of hearing, or who speak a different language. Publish and promote your video. Once your video is complete, publish it on your chosen platform, such as YouTube or Vimeo, and promote it on social media, your website, and other channels. Remember that making a video can be a time-consuming process, but with careful planning and execution, you can create a high-quality video that engages your audience and achieves your goals.